Hey, it's Kayla, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be turning into a peppermint clown. Okay, so starting off, I'm going in with Mayron's cream blend stick. So we're going to go for a white base. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do, but I feel like we'll just build the characteristics off of it. It's totally going to get in my hair. I feel like I should take my nose ring out. I have my beauty blender. I just wet it a little bit. I don't want to go overly crazy. I'm hoping that it's not like super like wet still on my face. I mean, ideally red eyes would be better, or white, but I think I'm just gonna stick with my purple eyes. It's like perfect. Going over the eyebrows because then it'll be perfect, because then I can paint over that too. I'm gonna be taking, I don't know, I was debating if I want to do like a bright red. I guess we'll do a bright red, because if we do dark red then it's not like as, you know. I'm gonna be taking the same palette from my last video. We're gonna be using Wet n Wild's Fantasy Makers palette. Going in with the red, of course, if I could find it. Again, I don't really know where I want to start. Actually, I lied. We're not going to take that just yet. We're going to go back in with Main Squeeze, the little palette, red palette by ColourPop. I'm going to go in with Like It's Hot and Home Slice. These two shades. I guess we'll do like contour and stuff with this. Just taking these. I don't really contour like this, so hopefully this looks okay. I'm not going for like an overly clean cut clown look, I guess is the word. I want it to be a little scary looking. We'll deal with the eyes when we get to it. I always get nervous when I do like a powder over this, because like one, this is red, so obviously it's not like gonna be overly forgiving. And I feel like it doesn't take right, and then I feel like it looks scary. Because like that's not contour, that looks like I got hit in the face. This looks scary. It's okay, trust the process. Maybe I'll go back in with the sponge then, like deep in the middle, I guess. Just because it's not obviously gonna pick up like bright red. Maybe we'll just connect the eyes with this. Look over it with like a shimmer then. Okay. Next we'll do the chin. I think I'm gonna go in for the eyebrows. Now I'm gonna go back in with Mayron's cream blend stick. And I'm gonna try to outline my eyebrows. Obviously it's not going to be perfect, but we don't need it perfect, we just need it enough to cover my brows to give the illusion. Taking my little detailed brush here, I'm going to take Wet n Wild's Fantasy Makers palette. I'm going to go in, try to outline my brows. Like, I know it looks a little bit rough in person, but I'm hoping that when I go over it, it won't be as scary. It's not terrible from a distance. Now I'm just gonna try to do like stripes, I guess. I feel like I should get that other brush. I don't know if I'll keep this part in, but like I keep seeing people talk about how they're afraid to do content and stuff, and like because people will judge them. I know in high school it felt like the most, but at this point, like I'm 23 now and I don't see like a lot of people that I went to school with. I honestly just don't care. Like, it's not gonna affect me if they do or don't like it. I mean, it's low-key giving Cheshire Cat, but it's not horrible. I'm just picking up a lot of the white. That's just making it harder. I don't know how to do it like sideways. I can't do it sideways, never mind. What do we think? Terrible, not the worst. Could be worse. But yeah, when I was in school, I didn't do videos or anything. I definitely did not post YouTube videos. I didn't know what I was doing. But I always loved like watching people on YouTube, not to sound generic, but I did. And I never thought I would post on YouTube like this. Like I would never believe you if you told me that I would be now. I mean, maybe I would, but it didn't seem like something I would be able to do. And so I started just doing makeup for fun, and I would post like photos on Instagram, and they were not that good. I think I started like freshman year or something, or summer of my 8th grade year, maybe. But yeah, I didn't do anything crazy good. My makeup was not good, like regular makeup was scary. I did some face paintings more than makeup, but I'm like fairly certain there were certain people that I went to school with that were like making fun of me for it. Like, I don't want to say details just in case, but like very certain that they were like making a fool out of me saying that they liked my stuff, but I didn't really care because I ended up it didn't matter in the end. Like, it didn't whatever. Aside from that, like, I thought I would have got made fun of more than I potentially did. And I ended up getting voted like most creative senior year. So could be worse. I mean, I know that's not everybody's experience, and I feel like a lot of people aren't as terrible, hopefully now. I'm obviously not in school, so I don't know what it's like, but I think you should just do it if you want to do it. Honestly, my biggest regret is not doing this stuff sooner, because I think I really would have liked doing it when I was in high school. That's my TED Talk. If you want to do it, just do it, because it literally doesn't matter in the end. So, now we've got our brows. I think I'll do peppermint lips. I just don't want to do it now because I just got the brush all red. I'm trying to think for eyes. I'd kind of like to do fake blood, but I also don't want to at the same time. I feel like it just wouldn't fit if I did a fake blood drip, you know? So I think we'll do these two solid red, and then these two will be peppermint checkered striped. It's really not peppermint, I guess. Kind of not. Kind of got a pink palette going on accident. It's not really pink, but it's not red. I think I hit pan. Oh my god, I did. I am only going in the one same spot though, so that's probably why. Also, one more thing that no one asked for, but I'm gonna give this advice. I'm out of focus. If you have like a hobby, or you like to do makeup, or you like to post content, or whatever it is, but if you have people in your life that not only don't support that, but like make you feel bad for spending your time doing that, or like wasting their time because they want you to do something and you're in the middle of your stuff and they want you to rush, don't let it bother you. Literally just do what you want. That is like one of my biggest regrets. I used to rush my content because I had people in my life that didn't. I was like inconveniencing them more or less, I guess. And looking back at it now, it's so silly because I like doing this, and like, why would I let them like make me feel bad for doing it? Because not long after, there were other people in my life that were like, why are you hurrying? Like, it's fine. I don't know, this is a dumb idea. I just kind of wanted to do it. But yeah, that's the end of my TED Talk, actually, now. I don't know if I want to try to paint it on, so I'm going to try to do the back of the brush and do like the dots. So these two are going to be solid. And then these two are going to be striped, I guess? Or more open. I feel like we need some kind of like shimmer on my eyes. I'm just going to take the Frozen 2 palette by ColourPop, the Elsa one, and I'm going to take the white shade and just go over my lid. I don't know how this is going to show. And then I'm going to take, which I might regret it, but this is like a glitter shade. Blurry. So taking the two whites. And we're putting glitter on. I think I'm going to take the red paint on my nose and do like a spiral thing. In theory, it should work. Should I try to do red liner with the paint, maybe? Feels like it's not even on this side. That's a little bit better. Now let's do lips, I guess. Okay, so I just went over with the cream blend stick and did my base for my lips, and then I'm going to take Wet n Wild palette again, the Fantasy Maker one, and use the same red shade. I'm going to try to do just like the outline and then stripes. Honestly, I might just have to do this off camera because I don't know. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so here I put them in backwards. Okay, so here's my lips. Nothing crazy, just did some stripes. So for lashes, I'm going to be using Ione's. They are the Red Wispy Spiky Cluster Long Lashes, but it's perfect because there's red in them. I didn't know if I had any. They're not like super red, but they're like kind of like red in the sense that it's like giving, you know, like Bratz doll lashes. I don't know why. That's the vibe I'm getting. I'm just going to pop them on really quick. Okay, so here's my lashes on. Fix my hair. Yeah, here's the final look for today. Let me know what you think. I like the lashes. I'm having trouble getting them on right because I need to get tweezers, but I'm happy with how it turned out. It goes all the way. It does look a lot like I got just like punched in the face on the side when you look at it straight on. It's not that bad. I feel like it could be a lot worse. Anyway, I really like how this turned out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more holiday content. I'm going to be doing the 12 days of Christmas leading up to Christmas. I'm going to be posting baking videos, makeup videos, and I'm also going to be doing some video game videos as well. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.